Well, good morning. My name is Chris Collis, and I'm here on behalf of Drew Pappas Trial Attorneys and Channel 7 to present to Katie Milnick, who is a wonderful teacher here at Waterford Mont, who's teaching science, as we can see today. And I believe we're teaching chemistry, and we're here today to present her with a $1,000 check for her program for this for Waterford Mont for all your wonderful work that you do here at the school.
Thank you.
So on
thank
behalf
you.
of Channel 7 and Drew Pappas Trial Attorneys, we are presenting you this check for $1,000 that hopefully you can use for your students or Waterford decides what they'd like to do.
Yes, and what are we doing with the $1,000?
Going on a field
We're going on a field trip. Yes.